Hey guys, what's up? It's your lady Teenager Moto here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. Oh my goodness guys, it's too hot out here. So the moment of truth is here. We are opening or unboxing the pool. Guys, are you even ready? The pool is here. Yes, we are going to unbox the pool. So I'm gonna turn my camera guys. I'm not gonna talk too much. So we are going to see what it is and open it guys. Stay here, don't move, okay? Let's unbox it. Okay guys, let's unbox the pool. I hope you guys can see behind me is my son right there. We're trying to open it together, okay? Come on. So guys, we are unboxing it right here. Yeah guys, these are the pumps. How many? These are the pumps. Look at the pumps and the tubes. Can show them. The tubes and the pumps are here. So I'm gonna just put it down here. So as we bring more, because it looks like there's a lot of things in there. So these are the tubes that come with it. And actually this is the pump. Yes, this is the pump. This is how it looks like. It's a pump and the tubes right here. So, yeah. We're ready to swim. What is it? These are another tools for screws for the pump. Another package. What's in there? Wow, guys. Okay, guys, this is the ladder. It's a ladder. Yay, look at it. It is a ladder. Look at it. This is a ladder. There you go, guys. Yeah. Protector. So, because I don't think we're going to use this. What is it? Guys, I'm sweating. Oh my goodness, I hope you guys can see what we're doing over there. Guys, it was too hot. I have to take my hat off. So my son is trying to open it. Let me direct my camera so you can see. There's so many. Yeah, this is what's going to connect the pool. There's still more. Wow, look how many are those. My God, there's a lot of connectors. Guys, you can see how much, how many are they. Also, he's going to open the ladder. That's the ladder. So when you set up the pool, that's the ladder where you are going to climb and go inside the water, because it's tall. It's tall, you know. So it comes with a ladder. Oh my goodness, guys, I cannot believe this summer we are going to have all this. Look at those medals. There's a lot of medals here. They say 18. Let me see how many are they. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Actually, they're almost 20 if I counted well. So they are 20. So my son is trying to pull the ladder. My gosh. It also has connectors. So the ladder also, you have to connect it. Guys, oh my goodness, this is a lot of work. My goodness, this pool. I cannot believe that. So my son is doing a good job. Good job. And mommy, I'm behind the camera. Guys, give my son a thumbs up. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. We're unboxing the last box. I don't know what's in there. Let's my son check. Well, actually it's a pump. That is what is going to pump the water and clean up the water. That is really nice. So this is how it looks like. There you are, pump. Okay, my son, how was the unboxing?
It's fun. It's hard work.
Did you enjoy it? You were sweating?
Yeah.
Are you going to enjoy the pool? Guys, I'm asking my son some questions because he's the one who wanted this pool. So do you think you're going to have fun? Interview.
Very much.
I'm going to call this video interview with my son. He said he's going to have it a lot of fun, very much, and he's so excited. Another brother is coming, but he's not here right now. He's at school. But we're going to interview him a little bit more later about the pool. Oh well, guys. Let me turn my... Okay, guys, these are the connector pipes right here. My son just opened it. That's the connector pipes. You see how they look like in here? This is what is connecting the pool. He's trying to open another one here. I'm thinking those are the metals, but let's see. Let's see. He's been wanting this pool for so long, so he's trying to open it, guys. Give a video, comment. Come on for my son. Come on, guys. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to see how we are going to set this pool. My goodness. The metals. Oh yeah, these are metals, guys. Can you pull one out so they can see? So these are metals. That's how they look like. Oh, they're actually tall. So these are the ones we are going to connect with these connectors and those metals, so that the pool is going to expand and be large and huge. There's so many. Oh, you need to pull them all. How many are there? I don't know how many. So my son is trying to pull them all, so we can see how many are they. Guys, come on below. Yeah, they're huge. Oh my gosh. This unboxing will take 2 days. There's a lot of them. Wow. They say 18 by 48. That's how large the pool is. Guys, my other son is here. He's trying to open the pool too. This is my other son. He's trying to check it out. This is my older son. So yes, he's trying to open the pool because the other son was unboxing everything. So we're still unboxing. So he just came out of school and he's trying to check it out, guys. Give the video a thumbs up, please. Look at that. That's how huge the pool. It's coming. My son is trying to open it, but it's pretty huge. My gosh. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this thing. We're just opening this thing. Look, it's so huge. We were just opening it to see how huge it is. My gosh, this is the biggest thing ever. It's the real pool. My goodness. Huh? Hmm? Let's see. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So when we are going to actually fix it, the entire thing, we're gonna put this. So yeah, this is how eventually it's going to be looking like this. Okay guys, stay here, don't go away. Actually, this is the cover, pool cover, and this is the real pool right here. Ooh, guys, this thing is heavy. Heavy. My gosh. And this is the pump right here. I think this is... That is it. So tomorrow we're going to hook the pump. Chairs are waiting. Oh well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my son unboxing the pool. It was a good experience. It's a lot of material, so that is unboxing. That's what the pool looks like. But again, we are going to put it together. That's another day, because it's a lot of work, guys. I don't know how many days this pool is going to take until we see the real pool. So we are here with my son. We are tired. And again, if you are not a subscriber, because please consider subscribing. My name is Teenager Umoto. My channel, I do beauty, I do hair, I cook, I vlog, travel, I do reviews of restaurants. Guys, this is the channel to be. Let's assemble this pool together. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, bye bye.